Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can create a survey in monday.com. So I open the board in which you want to create the survey. Then you have to press this button under your board name. You have to press this forms button. So a form is basically a survey with a bunch of questions in it that you can send to any person, and they can then fill that survey or form. So this is a practice form, and I have a couple of questions here, like I want people to enter their email, enter their status, enter their date. But let's say you want to customize it. Just press this edit form button, and it will give you the option to fully customize this form with adding different questions like multiple choice questions or whatever, and basically anything that will make it relevant to your business. You can upload your logo, you can edit different questions, like if you want to add a new question, press this button, and you can add a, let's say I want to ask people to enter their hobbies. So I select long text and I write here hobbies. That's perfect. And now people will be able to enter their hobbies here, and this way you can add as many questions as you want, and you can create any type of survey that you want. You can then customize it. So it will basically give you the options to customize it for computer and for smartphone. You can add a thank you screen. You can add basically you can change its color and whatever, and then what you can do is you can press this publish button. Once you press this publish button, you get this link. Now you can copy this link and you can share it with any person you want, and they will be able to access this survey. Or you can share it via email, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, or you can embed it into your website. And this way you can create a survey, and you can then make people fill that survey. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.